How to choose USB drawing and controller drawing for cutting. Press F2 to choose your disk. Let's choose the drawing which we want to cut. Press Enter to confirm it. How to edit round pipe cutting drawing from controller. Press F1 and F2 pipe. We choose the first drawing firstly. Press F1 to add the drawing. Choose one drawing we want to cut, and add it too. Press Enter button to edit drawing. Press Enter to edit first drawing. The first line is distance from origin. We can set it 0. The second line, the pipe diameter size. The third line is cutting angle. Other parameters are all 0. Then we press OK button. Then press button to edit another drawing. The first line is distance to origin, the same as pipe length. The second size is pipe diameter. The third is main pipe diameter size. The fourth is this pipe angle. Other parameters are 0, then press OK. Press F6 Super and F7 OK. We can draw a name for this file. This is the drawing we will cut. Press green button. The machine will start cutting.